Just wanted to take a second to say what this channel, GuitarBang, is about. And it's about really easy ways for anyone, even if you just picked up the guitar a minute ago, to start making music right away. Really simple techniques that don't take a lot of work to get down. There's simple things like what I just used there, which were 3-string bar chords. So I was just holding down all 3 strings and playing only 3 strings. And that's one of the first topics in one of the first videos. I think it's called World's Easiest Set of Chords. So it's just these to give you an example of the type of thing that's here. So that's 6 of the 7 chords in a major scale. You can create a lot of music with that. Try out a lot of different ideas on those simple chords, and then afterwards, if you want, you can use full chords instead, or you can just use the simple 3-string bar chords that I used here. Yeah, here they are one more time. And one other thing I'll say is that usually the video description is going to contain information like the shapes of the chords, other helpful things, so it's worth checking out there too. Okay.